Have you ever felt like your dreams got left behind? Like life handed you a script and now you're just reading lines instead of writing your own story? Midlife, it's not the problem. The way you've been taught, however, is the problem. You're not running out of time, you're running out of excuses. So, what's stopping you? See, most people, they stop dreaming, not because they can't, but because they believe they shouldn't. They are afraid to rewrite their story, but this is your midlife reboot. And if you said these three key phrases, there's an issue. I missed my chance. Have you said that? It's too late to start over. Have you said that? Who am I to chase something new? Have you or have you not said that? The truth? Harrison Ford was a carpenter before Star Wars. Colonel Sanders built KFC at 62. You're still in the game. This isn't about a second chance. It's about taking control of the one you already have. Now, let's talk about all these things that keep you stuck. The biggest lie you've been told is it's too late to reinvent yourself. That was completely wrong. Your age is leverage, not a limit. Your experience, it's currency. And the only thing standing in your way today, right now, is the story that you keep telling yourself. So let's flip the script. It's time to reignite your passions. Stagnant to unstoppable. I see you, friend. What if the spark never left? What if you just buried it under responsibility, self doubt, and routine? You need to find it, feed it, flip that script, turn old passions into new profits. Use your skills to build something that's yours because your purpose isn't retired, it's just waiting for your butt to show up. Let's talk about the midlife reboot plan. What do you want? Do you want more freedom, more income, more time for you? It's time to set a goal, make a plan, make a move. Reinvention isn't a one time event. If you're waiting for permission, here it is. Let's go. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you've ever felt stuck in midlife but know you're meant for more. I'm Miss T, your tour guide. So if you're taking control, let's talk about it. Your next move starts now. Now, I want you to imagine 5 years from now, if you do nothing, what changes? Nothing. If you take one step today, what changes? Everything. Because being stuck is a feeling, but breaking free, that's a choice. What's one small move that you're making today to reignite your dreams? Drop that down in the comments because I definitely want to hear from you. And if you're ready to break out of this cycle and start building an unshakable confidence after 40, watch this next video. You do not want to miss out. Keep on sipping.